Jetzt lernen wir die Zahlen von 1 bis 100. Na, wir zählen. In Deutschland ist der Daumen die Nummer 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So remember, Nummer 1 is your thumb. Okay. 1, that's how it's written. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ja? So, Nummer 1 und Nummer 7. Written differently. Notice that, ja? Nummer 1, Nummer 7 has a line through. Okay. Dann kommt die Nummer 11. 12. 13. Here we take the base numbers and add a 10 to it. Nummer 4 becomes 14. Nummer 5 becomes 15. Nummer 6 becomes 16. But when we spell it this way. The original number is spelled with an S. But when we combine it with another number, then the S disappears. And we only have 16. Now the next one is going to be 17. Again, when you look at your book and you look at the spelling of the number 7, it's spelled like this, 7. But when we combine that with another number, then we drop off the EN and use the short form, 17. Okay? 18 is normal, 19 is normal, and here comes the number 20. That's a different spelling, of course, 20. Are you with me so far? So let's go over it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, it sounds like the English word 11. Here you see the resemblance between English and German. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Remember to drop out the S from the original 6, short form, 16. 17, same thing. Drop off the EN of the original 7 and use the short form 17. 18 is regular again, 19, 20. Now when we go from 21 up to 100, we count like they used to do in Old English. There is a song, I think it goes like 21 blackbirds or something like that. I think it's a Christmas song. And instead of 21, the song says 1 and 20. And we still count like that in German. So, when we say 21, we start with the 1 first. And we put the word und between. 1 und 20. So, ein, the word und, and then the number 20. 1 und 20. So we do it backwards from English. 2 und 20. 3 und 20. 4 und 20. 5 und 20. 6 und 20. 7 und 20. 8 und 20. 9 und 20. And here comes the number 30. And we spell it like this. 30. And here is the SZ that I mentioned in the alphabet before. So we have 20, 30. And what do you notice when you look at these two numbers? The spelling. You see the IG here? This is like the English TY. So in English you say 20, in German you say 20, in German you say 30, again the IG, and in English you say 30. So the IG is the same as the TY in English. Okay, now you know how to count. How do you say 31? Remember, we count from right to left. So it would be 31, right? 32. Okay, now I won't count all the way up to 40, we'll just write down the numbers in tens. So the next 10 would be 40. 40. Remember? The next one would be 50, right? 5 and then 10.